Just on a whim, I thought it would be interesting to do a sort of mix and match vintage table. So nothing matches, but it all works together to create a beautiful little Easter brunch table. Let me show you what I've done. Just from the oven. The cinnamon smells so good, and the honey. A little mix match of vintage things. Look at these beautiful little Easter bunny lusterware. See the gold? Gold on a soft pink. And I love the flowers. The flower design. I love luster. See the gold? Oh, it's so pretty to go with our gold damask. Next, we're going to mix in our Lenox Constitution collection. These are all American wildflowers. Really sweet little bouquet of flowers. This is going to serve our honey sticky buns on. So already it's coming together nicely. Next we have some lovely spring green, my grandmother's china pattern. This is Royal Dalton English Renaissance. For a nice cup of tea. Next we have our lovely formal teapot. This is Royal Albert's Lady Carlisle. So lots more Englishness and spring flowers for our table. Next we have a serving dish in Royal Albert's Lady Carlisle to put our sticky buns on. Now to add the crystal, my own little votive. It's Waterford crystal. Another piece of crystal. Some more Waterford for our water. I wish we had orange juice today, but I don't have any. And finally, the silver. Silver always makes things special. Even all by yourself. Just move that over a little bit. And a teaspoon for our tea. So this is the setup. Lovely little mixture of things. Look, a real live Easter bunny. He's my little Easter bunny, Bourbon. It's my Bourbon. I remembered I have look, a bunny tea towel with some cute little vintage pom-pom trim and cute little bunnies, a girl and a boy. So we can put our little cup and saucer on our bunny Easter day. I think we'll move this tray over here so we can serve from here to here. A little candle. I like to put a glass votive in the crystal so it won't get wax in my nice crystal. Looks lovely even in the daytime. For more creative ideas, subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of collecting videos, gardening, cooking, table decor, and I'm starting a whole new journal series of short films where I am working on my house by myself to restore my home and my life. In goes my Yorkshire tea and the hot water. It's such a joy using a beautiful teapot. My bunnies over there. So pretty. Little homemade honey sticky buns. And I'll leave you the recipe in the description below. And a little egg omelet with cheese and mushrooms. Now we're all ready to go. Got my cream and stevia in my tea and my little omelet and my candles lit and a nice honey sticky bun. I think I'll have this little one. Put it here. And we're all ready to go. I love mushrooms. So let's enjoy a beautiful table and a beautiful Easter. Happy Easter, everyone! Well, I hope you really enjoyed seeing a vintage collectible table with mix and match to create a whole new look. And it makes a really special little table for Easter Sunday brunch. So you can do this at any time during the spring and just make something special for yourself. Have a wonderful Easter. Bye! For more creative ideas, subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of collecting videos, gardening, cooking, table decor, and I'm starting a whole new journal series of short films where I am working on my house by myself to restore my home and my life. So please consider joining me and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.